Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the question, can I put other beverages in the LARQ water bottle? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the LARQ Purvis water bottle. Can you actually place soda, tea, or other sugary drinks inside of here? Now, to simply answer the question, you most certainly can. I mean, it is a water bottle after all, so it can encase or hold other liquid types, but it's not recommended. Okay. And the reason why is because you do want the cap and the filtration to last a while, and it's not intended to be filtering through different sugary drinks or other chemicals and substances. It's only intended to actually go ahead and filter through just pure water. So my recommendation is that if you want to put other liquids like tea, coffee, or soda inside of here, if you do, just make sure that you thoroughly wash it afterwards. But if you do want your LARQ water bottle to last longer, then I would just recommend only having water inside of here just because it was intended for water. Like the UV light and technology is intended to just purify and clean water as well as the filter. But I hope this helps answer your question. If you guys have any others, let me know in the comments down below.